She wants back. She's trying to go. Look. Trying to crawl after it. Ow.
What'd you do?
Your mouth's gonna start hurting. Hey, brother, you can't have none. Go away. Go.
Hi.
I think I lost a tooth.
Did you take your tooth?
I'll see it again.
I'll see it again.
Am I allowed to have... Get off my food!
Here, I'll move it. Are you allowed to what?
Eat meat.
Probably not until you feel better. It's too hard. Meat.
Do you want meat?
Kind
I
of.
want a cheeseburger. Excuse me, waiter. I'm done with my cottage cheese and I would like a cheeseburger. Hello? Thank you. God.
It's hard to find good service these days.
No.
This isn't a 5-star restaurant, so...
I know, we got monkeys everywhere.
Are you gonna go to sleep now?
What about your cheeseburger?
Huh?
Don't get her started.
Alright, go to sleep.
What?
Go to sleep.
What?
Megan.
I was telling the monkey he looked like a cheeseburger.
I want a cheeseburger.
Maybe after you wake up.
After you wake up.
Get that rock out of your mouth.
These some rocks? He can get a rock, but I can't get a cheeseburger? What kind of stuff is this?
You need to take a nap.
A cheeseburger?
That's where it was when he got.
You need to, don't touch your mouth.
Megan.
Look at that!
No.
Yeah.
No.
What?
She goes, look at that.
Are you feeling better? Who's this?
My mouth hurts. Right here.
This is Jessica.
Hi, lady.
Hi.
You're pretty.
Oh, thanks.